In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can add a clean, functional calendar to any page in your workspace without confusion. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, everything happens right inside the page where you want your calendar to live, so you don't need any extra tools or add-ons. Next, decide where you want the calendar. You can open an existing page if you already have a dashboard, a project hub, or a notes page where a calendar would make sense. Just navigate to that page from your sidebar. If you prefer to start fresh, you can create a new page and use it as a dedicated calendar space. Either way works. The key is that you're inside the page where the calendar should appear. Now, inside your chosen page, look for the plus icon. This is the quick way to add new content in Notion. You'll see a small plus appear when you hover your mouse near the left edge of the page or between existing blocks. Click that plus icon to open the block menu. Think of this menu as a toolbox. Everything from text to media to databases lives here, and calendar is one of those options. From the block menu, select Calendar. Depending on your Notion setup, you may see choices like Calendar, Inline or Calendar, Full Page. Inline places the calendar right inside your current page alongside other content, which is great if you want notes, tasks, or context around it. Full Page treats the calendar as the main content, ideal if you want a focused, standalone calendar view. Choose the one that matches how you plan to use it. After you select Calendar, Notion instantly creates it for you. You'll see the familiar monthly grid appear, ready to use. If the menu is long and you don't immediately see Calendar, use the search bar at the top of the block menu and type Calendar to bring it up quickly. If the plus icon isn't visible, try moving your cursor slowly along the left edge of the page until it appears. That's all there is to it. You've opened Notion, chosen your page, clicked the plus icon, and selected Calendar. Simple and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your time right inside Notion.